Ernesto, how dare you destroy my house?
Ooh. Go to the principal's office. How dare you beat up Norman?
How dare you put a Trojan virus on my computer? Your computer sucks. Shut up! S5EP9, Ernesto activates a tornado siren on a sunny day / grounded. Requested by Jack Stillwell. Today is a nice day, sunny, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, no rain, and a breeze. Marvelous. I agree, Pops. It's a great day for street racing. May I go street racing? May I modify your Subaru Outback with racing parts so I can send other racers to Applebee's? I doubt a Subaru Outback with a CVT transmission would win any races. Maybe heavily modified, but that's expensive. I'm serious. I can modify your car with a new and or improved engine, tires, turbo, transmission, brakes, ECU, radiator, clutch, cams, cold air intake, etc. so I can street race. What? No! Are you insane, douchebag? Street racing is illegal, and you can put other lives at risk by causing a car crash. You may kill someone or even a whole family. I want a street race. I want a street race right now. Let me race, sucker. Maybe you can let me go to Jack in the Box, or maybe you can let me meet Logan Paul. Maybe you can take me to VidCon. Don't say another word. Shut up! We are going home because you were having a tantrum, because I wouldn't let you street race in my station wagon. Also, you are not going to Jack in the Box or VidCon. Whatever! Group of exclamation marks. Ooh, I wanted to street race today, but my stupid dad won't let me. Lots of people are having fun, but I can't. I know what I should do. I will go to the Plotagon City Weather Headquarters and activate the tornado siren. I will also activate the emergency alert system, so people will panic. If I can't have fun, then nobody can. Everyone here suck eggs anyway, except me. I'm number one. My dad went to the store to buy things, including his favorite beer. Samantha's asleep and Julie is watching a soap opera. I will jump out of the window. Hopefully I won't break my legs. I'm driving my car to the headquarters. My legs aren't hurt.
In 2 miles, turn right onto Walton Boulevard.
Okay, GPS. I'm here. Now I'll break into the headquarters. Mrs. Green, why are you here?
Ernesto, it's you. When I quit working at the school because of you, I work here now at the weather headquarters.
I'll beat you up. I'm gonna activate the tornado siren. Now I'll activate the tornado siren and the emergency alert system. Now the siren and the EIS is on. Now I'll leave so I won't get caught. I'll go very fast back home. Y'all know the drill. I got the milk, eggs, cheese, soda, cereals, and my favorite beer. I wonder what the next song will be on the radio. Hopefully Maroon 5, The Beach Boys, Snoop Dogg, Aha, Bruno Mars, Drake, Black Sabbath, Green Day, or even Adele. The National Weather Service in Plotagon City, Ohio has issued a tornado warning for Sandusky County, Lucas County, Ottawa County, and Wood County. A tornado is on the ground near Plotagon City, moving east at 25 miles per hour towards Plotagon City. Everyone needs to seek shelter now. This is a life-threatening situation. At least I'm very close to my house, so I can seek shelter. It's kinda weird that there is a tornado warning because it's sunny outside with no clouds. Julie?
Thank goodness you're safe. We need to go into the basement.
Hey Dad. Where were you? I was watering the plants. Why are you so mad, bro? Okay, we need to go into the basement now, because we are in a tornado warning. A tornado is heading towards us. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, I think we're safe in here, because this room is underground.
Good.
I also brought my backpack with a portable TV, a weather radio, a flashlight, a first aid kit, food, and water.
It looks weird that we are in a tornado warning, even though the weather forecast said that there are no storms today.
I agree. It appears that the tornado sirens aren't on anymore. I'll turn on the portable TV, so I can watch the weather. Hey, this is the Plotagon City Weather Channel. My name is Mafia Guy 2008, and I'm here to release some information regarding the tornado warning that was issued. That tornado warning was a false alarm. There was no tornado on the ground. Someone broke into the weather headquarters and activated the emergency alert system and the tornado siren. Unfortunately, we don't know the person who did this as yet, but the police are looking at the cameras to find out who did it. For other news, there are 2 tropical storms in the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, there was no tornado on the ground. Let's go back to our normal lives. I hope the criminal gets caught. Okay, Pops. I have a question. Why do you think street racing is a good idea? This is real life, not a video game. I thought it'll be fun. Midnight Club LA is a great game. I agree that it's a good game, but video games are different than real life. I wish Rockstar would make another Midnight Club game, because it's been over 10 years since the last game. They're focusing on Red Dead Redemption and Grand Theft Auto 5 and GTA Online. The neighbors are probably fighting loudly again and someone called the police. That's probably why I hear cop car sirens. Yeah. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, the cops are at the door. Ernesto, what in the freaking crack did you do? Crap. I didn't wear a disguise. My IQ is 0. Dad, I broke into the weather headquarters, unactivated a fake US and activated the tornado siren. You wouldn't let me street race, so I decided to ruin everyone else's fun. I thought that since I couldn't have fun then others can't either. I regret my actions. Please be a little lenient on me. Please?
Ernesto George Johnson, you are under arrest for breaking into the Plotagon City Weather Headquarters and activating the tornado siren and the emergency alert system. You caused a lot of panic.
Washington, Virginia, Florida, Alabama, North Carolina, South Carolina, Alaska, Wisconsin, Arizona. Ernesto, how dare you break into the Weather HQ and activate the emergency alert system and the tornado siren when there wasn't a tornado causing damage. I'm so angry at you, I can't describe it. Raw. Ooh. I'm so tired of your bad behaviors. I am also sick and tired of grounding you for years. It gives me a headache. You are a selfish, narcissistic, stupid douchebag. That's it, you are so grounded. You are grounded for 4839209259969319202 months. You will only eat eggs, Swiss cheese, beanie weenies, prunes, packing peanuts, Vienna sausages, and onions. Wah 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 wah.